A tragic mistake we're prone to make after being hurt. Confusing empowerment to improve a condition with blame for causing the condition. Confusing the two is understandable. People who are hurt emotionally are often unfairly blamed by others. And we're certainly blamed by the people who hurt them. Now let's say right up front, no one is to blame for being hurt, depressed, anxious, or fearful. Blame devalues your experience and lowers self-value. Empowerment increases the value of your present and future. Empowerment is acquiring the ability to climb out of a hole. Blame is about how you got into the hole. Focus on how you got into the hole prevents focus on getting out of it. There are different skill sets, different domains of the brain. Getting out of the hole requires focus on your strengths, resilience, on your ability to create value and meaning in your life, on your core value.